Hey guys, it's Sabra from Fairway Mortgage, the Heritage Group, and I wanted to do a quick video this week because there is something that we have been working on that we are really excited to share with you guys, and it is called a sticky bar. So I know that's a weird phrase and it sounds kind of silly, but I promise it's okay. So something that I've noticed when I'm going through helping different realtors update their marketing pieces to make sure that they're getting seen by the most people and capturing the most leads as possible is that they are not giving their potential clients everything that they need on their website. So when they visit your website, I'm sure you all have on there your headshot, your logo, your contact information, and I'm sure you have home searches on there so they can find their houses. But what a lot of realtors don't have is a way to get pre-qualified. And a lot of people tell me, well, no, I have lenders on there with their phone numbers and so they can call them. And that's great, but the chances are in this online mentality world, they are wanting something that they can do online. So what you are essentially allowing your potential leads to do is leave your website to go find a place that they can get pre-qualified online. Now, the chances of them ending up on your lender's website are very slim, so the chances of them coming back to you to be their realtor are also very slim. We've actually seen in our research that there's two different kinds of leads. There's a home first lead and there's a mortgage first lead. Those home first leads are your leads that are going to fill out your information on the website because maybe they want to see the next picture, they want to see what the backyard looks like, whatever the reason may be, but they're not necessarily qualified yet. They just want to see the house. Your second type of lead is your mortgage first lead. Those are your clients that get pre-qualified and they say, you know, I really like this house, but I want to see how much I can actually afford. Let me get pre-qualified. So we don't want those clients leaving your website to go get pre-qualified online. We want to give them the option to get pre-qualified right from your website. So what we have actually done is we have teamed up with the creator of the Zillow long form funnel, or whatever you'd like to call it. And what he has done is he has created this this add-on piece that you can add on to your website. It's very simple, and it is free. Yes, I said free. So I'm actually going to show you guys an example. So I have our website up here, and I'm going to go to heritagegroupmortgage.com/sticky-bar. Where this is going to take me, this is going to take me to an actual realtor's website. This realtor is up in Ohio, so you don't have to worry. It's nobody that's in your competition. They chose to put the Fairway logo here. That is completely their choice. They do not have to do that. But essentially what the sticky bar is this little bar at the top that says, do you know how much home you can afford? Get pre-approved now. Now we can change this wording to be whatever fits you and your clientele best. But what they do is it doesn't affect your website at all. It just stays right here and it wiggles to get their attention. Once they click on it, it goes to the funnel. Now, this particular realtor had decided to co-brand this with their Fairway loan officer. But if a lot of my realtors tell me I don't want it on there because I don't want to offend my loan officers that I already have on my page. So you do not have to co-brand this with Fairway. We can take this off and it can just be your logo up here. That is not a problem. But what these potential clients will do is they'll put in their zip code and they go through about 17 different questions to really give us an idea of where they stand on their purchase. And at the very end of the funnel, they will ask for their name, phone number, and email. And these leads are live leads. They will come directly to you and to the loan officer that it is attached to. So I would love to help you guys with this. If you have any questions, let me know. My contact information is at the bottom. And feel free to email me, call me if you have any questions. And we would love to help you get a sticky bar on your site. We'd love to help you capture more of those leads and keep them from going elsewhere. Have a great day. Bye.